On the CDA exam, you must master the core framework of the credential, which is built on 8 subject areas, 6 competency goals, and 13 functional areas. Understanding the distinct role of each is critical for both the exam and your portfolio. The 8 subject areas are the topics your 120 hours of professional education must cover. These include planning a safe environment, advancing physical and intellectual development, supporting social and emotional development, building relationships with families, managing a program, maintaining professionalism, observing and recording behavior, and understanding child development principles. Think of these as the college courses you take to gain foundational knowledge. The exam won't ask you to list them, but scenario questions will test the knowledge you gained from studying them. The 6 competency goals, however, are what you are directly assessed on. These are broad statements about what a competent caregiver does. They are 1. To establish a safe, healthy learning environment. 2. To advance physical and intellectual competence. 3. To support social and emotional development and provide positive guidance. 4. To establish productive relationships with families. 5. To ensure a well-run program. And 6. To maintain professionalism. Your portfolio is structured around these 6 goals, requiring you to write a reflective statement for each one. Underneath these 6 goals are the 13 functional areas, which are the specific, observable behaviors your professional development specialist will look for. For example, under the goal of establishing a safe and healthy learning environment, the functional areas are safe, healthy, and learning environment. For the goal of advancing physical and intellectual competence, the functional areas include physical, cognitive, communication, and creative. The exam is designed to test your ability to connect a real-world scenario to the correct competency goal or functional area. A common exam trap is confusing the subject areas with the competency goals. For instance, a question might describe a teacher sanitizing toys. The answer choices might include the subject area, planning a safe, healthy learning environment, and the functional area, healthy. The correct answer is healthy because it describes the specific observable action, which is how you are assessed. The subject area is the training topic, not the assessed behavior. The relationship is hierarchical. The 6 competency goals are the pillars, and the 13 functional areas are the bricks that build them. That's openexamprep, all one word.com.